Hey everybody, today I'm going to make lock picks. So you're going to need pliers and 3 paper clips. First thing you're going to want to do is kind of bend your paper clip like this. Focus on it. Then you're going to want to take your pliers and then you bend it like that. That's your first single pick. The next one you're going to want to make is probably the hardest one. You're going to want to open it up twice, so it's even longer than last time. Then you're going to want to bend it like that. Then where the other bend is, bend it again. Then bend it again. And again. Then you're going to have something that looks like this. Then you're going to want to take your pliers and hold it like this, where the Then you want to take your pliers, hold it like this, and stretch it out. Then you're going to want to go like this.
Sorry.
It's okay. Then you just want to straighten it out, so it looks like that. Then you're going to want to make this into a straight line. Try to get it as straight as you can. So it looks like this. And then you're going to want to bend it in half. Try to make it as equal as you can, but I'm just trying to hurry because my grandma's almost home. So then you're going to want to take your pliers and bend it like this, so it kind of like bends the ends together. Then you're going to want to keep doing that till it's kind of straight. Then you want to twist it like that, so it looks like twisted. Then you're going to take your pliers and bend it like this, go like this, and then you use these two to pick a lock. This one, this works sometimes. It takes you a few minutes, but peace out.